In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, STEM skills are in increasingly high demand. STEM used to be a completely male-dominated area, but we are slowly closing the gender gap and breaking the outdated stereotypes surrounding this ever-growing sector. At the Royal Australian Mint, our diverse and highly skilled workforce are proud to be trailblazers in their fields, breaking down barriers and paving the way for the next generation of scientists, engineers, designers, and future leaders.
I'm Sim. I am the lead mechatronics engineer on the Future Mint project at the Royal Australian Mint.
My name's Chelsea. I'm a senior product and tooling engineer at the Royal Australian Mint.
Hi everyone, my name is Annette Hirsch and I'm the environment manager at the Royal Australian Mint.
Hi, I'm Alice Oxley and I'm the environment officer at the Royal Australian Mint.
So currently I am designing the future factory for the Mint. That involves looking at modern manufacturing, equipment, technology, processes, and really getting to architect what the new facility is going to look like.
My role here at the Royal Australian Mint is to help work on new products and new coins, translate our coin designer's artistic vision into something we can actually manufacture on a coin. Also, I do things like looking at developing new shapes for coins or new platings or just new interesting features that we can add to coins.
So we provide strategic advice to assist the organisation with managing its environmental risks. We coordinate the environmental monitoring program and all the reporting that comes along with that. We do research on a lot of the materials that we use to make coin, so we can provide advice to our product development team so they know what the environmental impact is of different kinds of materials that we might use to make coin or how we package our products.
I studied mechatronics and advanced manufacturing, so that was an honours program at RMIT in Melbourne. I've since moved around and played in a lot of different fields since then, so being mostly in industrial automation and robotics, and that's really my speciality, is designing for automated solutions to kind of uplift a production environment.
I've started with a Bachelor of Environmental Science and Sustainability from the Australian National University. I have specialisations in resource and land management, biodiversity conservation and Indigenous studies.
In terms of careers in STEM, bachelor degrees are great. They build a lot of your essential skills to get into doing field-based work. And if you're really interested in research, a PhD is a great way to get that hands-on experience and build your skill set there if that's what you want to do. Key pieces of advice that I would have is just don't ever lose that willingness to learn and to listen and work with people. Being curious and wanting to understand a problem, is what will help you ask questions of people and to find solutions that do work.
If you're interested in it, pursue it, do what you're passionate about. There's so many other things other than math involved in it, and there's so many ways to use your creativity and direct your career towards what interests you.
If you just keep a good eye on what you want to achieve, what kind of skills you want to achieve, what kind of projects you want to deliver, what are the things that you want to leave a legacy behind to be able to say, I was able to do this or I was able to do that project. If you keep focused on that, then the opportunities and the leadership and the experiences will just come your way.
Never let anyone tell you you cannot do it. You can. You are strong, smart, creative, curious, and there is a place for you in every field that you want to enter.